have a lot of hiccups going on. He's there's a lot of hiccups going on.
Yeah?
Oh.
Are you exploring where the baby's feet are? Where's the baby feet? Where's the baby feet? Yeah, down there. And where's his baby nose?
Nose? No.
Where's the baby nose though? Where's Phoenix's nose?
Nose.
Yeah. Where's his mouth? Where's Phoenix's mouth? Where's his mouth? Where's the baby's mouth? Where's the baby? Yeah, where's his belly? Where's Xander's mouth? Xander, where's your mouth?
Baby.
Oh, you don't want to perform for me because you're too into the baby.
Baby?
Yeah, baby feet.
Baby?
What's on his pajamas?
He's bored. Ball. It looks like the bears and presents.
Yeah.
Did you? Egg.
Whose fingers are those?
Nani, you can have the baby back.
Are you ready for somebody to pick that baby up and let you up?
No.
Good job, Mason.